3 years ago, members of the Earth-trained staff and the founders of the newly established Metropolitan School of Panama launched an experiment. It started with a question. How might the Met realize its goal of becoming a model Jane Goodall Roots and Shoots school, one offering a diversity of nature-based experiences that are fully engaging of mind, body, and spirit? We came into the exchange with lots of ideas and, well, humility. You see, tailoring something for an international baccalaureate school, with its emphasis on values and inquiry-based learning, presents a real challenge. Among the high points of our exploration so far have been our activities with Dr. Jane Goodall, first in 2011 and then in 2013, with our spotlight on biocultural leadership. Our sessions at Earth-Train's 4,000-hectare Mamoní Valley Preserve were another great source of instructive moments. We invite you to join us for a glimpse into one of those sessions, the one we co-created with the teachers and students of the Met's 9th and 10th grades.
Este gran bosque que está aquí atrás es un bosque de casi 2 millones de hectáreas. Toda esta mancha continua de bosque y un pedacito que nos toca a nosotros en Centro Mamoní happens to be the largest remaining block of forest in the entire Chocó-Darien ecoregion.
This morning, we're going to just take some time to slow down, to reconnect in a quieter, more reflective way, riding out in nature to try and form that quiet connection with it.
Here I am in a small-scale star dome. We got 3 groups of students here constructing a larger scale. They're going to be creating diagrams through a 5-step process, putting the star dome, star figure onto the ground, overlapping it with pentagon series, and then raising, constructing it, and tying it all down to their base. And in the end, they're going to have a structure very similar to this. Sustainable bamboo. Lasting.
I like this one, huh?
It's strong.
some of the things you're doing this week will get you ready for building a bamboo school near our school. So it's our way of saying thanks to Earth Train, and I know it's kind of grunt labor. It's going to be very, physical, kind of mindless labor, but I think you're going to find a satisfaction afterwards. And definitely the other guys did, because we made it fun. And if you come back here in a year, which you will, we'll bring you back here, you'll see your wall. You'll be part of building the pool that you'll swim in next year. That's a good feeling. So it's very rewarding in the end, right? It's like practicing for rugby.
But I'm afraid of heights. So today when we got there and I saw that I had to climb, I was scared. So when I jumped down there and I saw that I did it, I was like, man, that's a barrier down. So I felt proud of myself for it.
That's what we're going to be doing with Earth Train. I hope that's what we're going to do. I was really proud to be a part of you guys. I don't.